sum of the number, sum of the digit. What is a sum? Add, right? The result of the addition. Okay, so sum of the numbers are digit is divide by 3. If you can divide by 3, you can divide by 3, divisible by 3, which is, for example, 33. What is a 3 plus 3? 6. Can you divide by 3? Yes, 6 divided by 3. So that means you can divide by 3. Let's say 2,400 6, maybe 3. I'm not sure, Miss Sony. Look, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3 is a 9. Sum is a 9. Can you divide by 3? Yes, because 9 divided by 3. So that means 243 can divide by 3. You understand? That's called divisibility. Divisible. So now let's go to the 5. 5 is easy. Ending is 0 or 5. You can divide by 5. Thinking about clock. 15. You can divide by 5. 100. You can divide by 5. Okay? So